Good morning. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm fake waking up. Well, not really, but I've been in bed for the past 30 minutes or so watching YouTube videos. A bit better because the videos are about financial literacy, so not entirely all waste of time. I did want to wake up and do a yoga video with the sunrise, but I woke up at like 5 a.m. and the sun was already up, so we'll try again tomorrow. Okay, so I'm in SA. I'm in SA and it's dope. It's really dope. Yeah. Wow. I woke up, look. Guys, there's a view of a golf course here. And look at how pretty those are. Can you see them? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's just so gorgeous. It's really just gorgeous. I'm currently worried if I have, it's a bit cloudy, so I don't think I have enough warm stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? I think they're called guinea fowls. I could also be lying, so, you know. But yeah, it's a bit cloudy, and I don't know if I have enough warm stuff. I'm in SA for the last session of Leaders Academy. So yeah, it's just all going to depend. Don't use a whiskey glass for water. Well, I can, but I don't want to. Where are they? It feels like I'm snooping, but I'm really just looking for a glass. Okay, whatever. I'd love to have some coffee. Having some tea would be good. Guys, my mornings are so... wow. My pajamas are so dope. I love them so much. Love most. There's a yoga mat here. I might do about like 10 minutes of yoga and then shower and get ready for the day. Figure out what I'm gonna wear in this cold weather. Absolutely gorgeous out here. That's so bummy. Guys, I got new glasses. Can you tell? After 4 years. I'm just gonna take it's not supposed to go outside. I don't know. There's a balcony at the top, and I wanted to do a bit of yoga, but I don't know if I can take the mat outside. So I think I'll just do the yoga here. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some cushion in it. Nope. I'll take this one upstairs. And do the yoga with that. So I'm at an apartment that I found through couch surfing. I'm probably gonna do a separate video on that, so look out for it. Guys, this view, man. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Amazing, right? So intensely amazing, right? Oh. Hi. So I am all ready for the day, dressed and ready to go. Yeah, I'm waiting on a cab, and then we're gonna go start our day. Yes. Don't you just love these earrings? My man's got them for me. They're so pretty. I love them. I'm excited. I'm having a good day. I should obviously do more yoga in the morning. Ugh. So, I'm gonna close this door and go downstairs. So this is the tea that I went all the way to the other side to get. It is so good. So good.